Hey guys, has anybody seen my iPad? I want to play Minecraft.
I haven't seen it. Sorry, can't help you, Billy. I didn't see it either.
It's gotta be around here somewhere. Hey Billy, I'm sorry. I needed to use your iPad for work and I accidentally deleted your Minecraft world.
Oh no, this isn't good. Remember what happened last time his Minecraft world got deleted? Yeah, of course I remember what happened. I still got the scar. Everybody get down, he's about to blow!
I can't believe you deleted my Minecraft world! It took me so long to make that!
This is a test of the emergency alert system of the National Weather Service. You do not have to take immediate action as there is no emergency. During an actual emergency, you must not use your telephone for the time being. This is because
Your local 36-hour forecast.